In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create line charts in Google Sheets, step by step, so you can turn your raw data into clear professional visualizations. Google Sheets is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing information, but a simple table of numbers often doesn't tell the full story. Line charts help you spot trends, track changes over time, and communicate insights at a glance. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you need to select your data. This step sets the foundation for everything else, so let's make sure you do it correctly. Highlight all the cells that contain the data you want to visualize, and crucially, include your headers. Those are the labels at the top of each column, like date or revenue. Google Sheets uses those headers to automatically label your chart axis and legend, so skipping them means you'll have to add those labels manually later, which is extra work you don't need. Here's a pro tip. Make sure your independent variable, that's the data you're measuring change across, like dates, months, or categories, is in the first column of your selection. Your numeric data, such as sales figures or website traffic, should go in the second column. This natural arrangement tells Sheets what to plot along the horizontal axis versus the vertical axis, and it prevents a common beginner mistake where the chart ends up swapping your data around. Once your data is neatly selected, head up to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Chart. You can also use the shortcut by clicking the Insert Chart icon on the toolbar. It looks like a little bar graph with a plus sign. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will automatically generate a default chart based on your selected data, and it will pop up right on your sheet. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect yet. That's completely normal. Alongside your new charts, you'll see the Chart Editor sidebar open on the right-hand side of your screen. This is your command center for everything chart related, and you'll be spending most of your time here in the next few steps. Now, in the Chart Editor sidebar, make sure you're on the Setup tab. Right at the top, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Chart Type. Click that and scroll through the list until you find Line Chart. It's usually under the Line section, and you'll see a few variations like smooth line charts or stepped line charts. But for a standard line graph, just pick the basic one. What's happening here is that Google Sheets is taking your selected data and mapping it onto the line chart structure, connecting your data points with lines to show the flow from one value to the next. This is perfect for showing trends over time, because the lines make it easy to see at a glance whether your numbers are going up, down, or staying steady. A common pitfall here is accidentally choosing a stacked line chart instead, which adds up multiple data series on top of each other. That's useful for showing cumulative totals, but if you just want individual lines, stick with the standard option. With your chart type set, it's time to make it look exactly how you want. Switch over to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. This is where the real transformation happens. Here you can edit your axis titles, which is a must for any professional chart. Under Chart and Axis Titles, you can click on the drop-down and select Horizontal Axis Title or Vertical Axis Title to add clear labels like month or sales in USD. You can also change line colors under the Series section. Just click on the colored dot next to your data series and pick a color that stands out on your screen or matches your brand. If you want to add grid lines, go to the Grid Lines section and tweak the horizontal or vertical lines to make your data easier to read. And if your legend is in the wrong place, head to Legend and reposition it to the top, bottom, left, or right. Each of these small adjustments adds up to a chart that looks polished and intentional, not just a default output. And there you have it. You've successfully created a line chart in Google Sheets, customized to show your data clearly and professionally. By now, you've taken a simple table of numbers and turned it into a visual story that highlights trends and patterns at a glance. One great next step is to experiment with adding multiple data series to the same chart. Just select additional columns when you first highlight your data, and Google Sheets will plot them as separate lines in different colors. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or bookmark the section that was most helpful. Thanks so much for sticking with me today, and happy charting.